So interesting, we got to the campground and as we're setting up, Mel notices that there's a sign on the electric panel that says, heads up, we tested our water 2 weeks ago and found out there was E. coli, so boil your water. Oh no! Well, not my usual Walmart trip. Fortunately, we got to the campground and found out they have E. coli in their water. So I ran to the local Walmart to buy 16 gallons of water, and I picked up some freshwater jugs. Hopefully we can find somewhere we can fill up, because otherwise it's going to be a stinky weekend. We've never had this happen in our 50-ish, maybe even more camping trips. Not fun, but lesson learned, always bring fresh water just in case. Worst case scenario, we don't use it. All right. Stopped at a Sheets and asked there. Unfortunately, no one really knew. I bought a 20-pound bag of ice. I'm like, well, I'll put it in the tank once it melts.
Take the next right toward Crestview Drive.
Google. So,
continue for 1.5 miles.
Defeat.
Our water saga continues.
It's actually safe to shower with it as long as you don't get it in your mouth. I'm like, oh.
So water issues, but a different way.
Yeah. Full here, 4 deaths, so that's good. After the last camping trip, probably me more than Mel, found out that I really like disc golf. So we played at a campground course last week, which is probably not even really good representation of what disc golf courses are like. So
we're about to find out.
So we're going to an 18-hole course. I don't think we'll play all 18 unless we're really flying through it. We're going to play at the Pines at Shenango Lake. About 15 minutes from the campground. Play some disc golf, work up a sweat, and then hopefully find enough water to wash that sweat off. Otherwise, we'll be baby white bathing. So
in 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
damn, you are way better at this. Thanks, camera crew. You are getting so big. You have not grown an inch. Came inside because as nice as this campground is, it's been very, very loud.
We've had people cutting down trees. We've
For like
had
hours and hours.
weed whacking, lawnmower.
So, tips would be always have some water in the camper in case something happens, because that at least would have got us through the first night. We could have got through dinner, bed, and then worried about water today. So that sucked. The campground's really nice otherwise.
It's beautiful. The permanent sites are very well put together compared to a lot of places that we've been to with permanent sites. This is nice.
Even the whatever site we're in, the temporary overnight sites they're huge. I mean, they're really
Very
clean and well
spacious.
maintained. Yeah. So it's been a really cool park. So I'm glad
And
we got
actually relatively cheap, honestly, like 150 something for the whole weekend. So, well, minus water.
minus the 150
So-
spent on water jugs.
We spent that in water.
So I'm glad we got to play disc golf. I'm enjoying it way more
Yeah.
than she is.
I enjoy it. I do.
But I've been
It was
really
fun.
enjoying that. It was fun to do. Good exercise.
fun.
Campground's been nice. Sucks about the E. coli and whatever,
Cool.
but we've been to 2 new Walmarts. The other thing I was gonna say is we would have been okay because we always fill up a water pitcher at home that is a Brita, so it purifies as we go through. However, after this trip, I think we might upgrade our filter from the single filters that most people have to, which are Camco's, to like this 3 filter clear water system, which says that it will reduce or remove E. coli specifically. We're not really looking to get it filtered out so we can drink it because that's not really a concern for us. We have filtered water we bring with us. However, it would be nice to be able to shower without getting E. coli in our eyeballs, so that'd be a plus. So we're not looking at that, but it's really expensive. But I think at this point we've committed to camping enough that it's probably long overdue. And our dog is enjoying chasing lightning bugs, so I think
Lightning
that's about
bugs.
it for us for the evening.
Having fun?
Sure am. Oh no! Oh. That makes sense. How did that even happen? The thing like snapped off. I'm gonna play at the Pines at Shenango Lake. Shenango. I don't know.